Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the days of the week, or les jours de la semaine. Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. Let's start with the first day of the week. Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi. Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. You can break it down to three parts. Mercredi. Mercredi. By the way, make sure to click right here for the nasal sounds and learn how to produce them, because after learning them, you can easily pronounce words like lundi, which is totally nasal. So, moving on. Mercredi. Wednesday. Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Friday. Vendredi. Again nasal. Vendredi. 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 Saturday. Samedi. Don't say samedi, no. Say samedi. Samedi. And the last but not least, Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Encore, c'est nasal. Dimanche. So, let's review, shall we? Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Samedi et dimanche sont le week-end. Le week-end. So, Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Le week-end. Same word is used in the French language to mean the weekend. Le weekend. Okay. Which day are you watching this video? Tell me in the comment section down below. See ya!